好啦，巨型爆炸亦入埋第4場賽事，滿利谷金杯準備。好，一呢步嘅時候咧出得幾齊嘅，咁前面快啲，中檔嘅馬快啲啊，暴傻瓜、南家暴風啦，斑點馬出得快啲嘅，麻蘭嗰邊就平衡星座啊，大雀爺都唔玩啦，中間夾住根本紅啦，貼晒欄就女性優先啊，外檔咧太機靈睇你點搞啦，大個檔埋嚟揾位你啊，話大家走上前面咯，然之後個馬先係酒吧奇案蛋撻啦，咁再跟住嗰陣咧就堅韌不拔啦，後啲位置就傾國京城啦，東瀛羅勒喺尾3度啦，咁喺尾嗰對暫時重重有賞啊，同埋呢個巨型爆炸嚟嘅，好第一次入嚟直路嘅時候啦，前面咧帶頭咧就暴傻瓜帶出咗多少啊？拍到埋嚟第二位就斑點馬貼欄第3揾到個靚位呢喎，南家暴風啦，然之後咧先見到咧仲有大雀爺啦，後啲堆位即係我當太機靈咧3碟2碟之間都仲要揾位呢㗎，喺個內側有馬頂住佢咧根本紅啦，同埋內檔嘅女性優先啊，然之後個馬先見到平衡星座啦、蛋撻啦，再跟住酒吧奇案喺外檔嘅東瀛羅勒啦、埋欄呢熒光3啊堅韌不拔啊，喺尾3匹馬咧暫時係重重有賞啊，傾國傾城同埋巨型爆炸嘅，好啦咁啊轉到去另一邊嘅直路嘅時候啦，前面咧帶緊頭咧就暴傻瓜咧帶出咗多少嘅。伏住第位斑點馬貼欄第3南家暴風，咁呢個時候咧太機靈，哎呀又搞呢啲啊，3碟嚟第4位喎，喺佢內側咧又唔放佢喎，大雀爺頂住佢啦，咁貼晒欄仲有女性優先啊，個零馬位之後就蛋撻啦，咁啊拍住佢咧仲有根本紅啦，咁然之後先見到啊平衡星座啊堅韌不拔啦，再跟住外檔上咗啲咧63啊東瀛羅勒啦，酒吧奇案咧就留到去尾4嘅位置嚇，尾3位置係重重有賞嚟嘅，尾就巨型爆炸包咗落尾變咗傾國傾城啦，咁大約咧仲有1200米途程到啦，咁前面帶緊頭呢個時候咧暴傻瓜帶出咗1個馬位，斑點馬守住第2嘅呢個太機靈咧，上又唔係落又唔係，搣咗3碟走到上嚟啊，唔知佢點搞啦。伏住第4位啊南家暴風啦，然之後咧先見到咧仲有大雀爺啊，女性優先啦，再跟住就根本紅啊，然之後埋欄嗰邊咧仲有蛋撻啊，後少少位置係平衡星座啦，貼住欄就堅韌不拔啦，東瀛羅勒仍喺外檔，開始手喐喐啊酒吧奇案㗎啦，尾3位置上咗啲啊巨型爆炸，尾貼住欄啊重重有賞啊，包尾仲喺咧傾國傾城係咁騎㗎啦已經啊，仲有600米左右嘅途程咗啦，前面咧暴傻瓜就騎㗎咯喎，斑點馬跟住佢啊，咩太機靈騎下啦，開始褪啊，南家暴風就唔要落檔走上外檔啦，出邊大力起勢騎上嚟咧就平衡星座啊，麻蘭嗰邊女性優先啊打緊㗎啦，咁中間嗰啲馬咧就根本紅啊、酒吧奇案啊咁樣嘅，定揈追外檔啊東瀛羅勒啦，差唔多入到嚟之後直路嘅時候，前咧仲喺呢暴傻瓜帶出咗多少嘅，南家暴風係咁打啦，平衡星座亦都上到嚟喺內檔，斑點馬就冇位嘅，然之後啲太機靈啊中間上嚟就酒吧奇案，最後100零米嘅時候，前面咧南家暴風啊出咗嚟先啦，呢隻暴傻瓜都唔多㗎啦，但係呢時候上嚟就平衡星座啦，外檔上嚟酒吧奇案，但係前面南家暴風出咗頭夠贏啦，嗰張第1名南家暴風，第2名暴傻瓜仲頂住啊，咁啊第3名咧一路咧仲追住上嚟咧，平衡星座嚟嘅，第4名就酒吧奇案啊！
唉，跑到咁上下都話，如果呢場都唔贏就算把啦。
同埋咧，苗康文啲熱門同佢絕交都冇乜錯。
我哋冇選擇錯㗎，咁你做乜嘢咧？我都唔識講啦。
呢場薛海華真係跑得好靚，9檔一攝就攝入個 box seat 嗰度。唉，睇見太機靈真係。
其實前面呢隊都係因為賺咗個內檔擺前邊，好大程度都係咁。但係點都好啦，南家暴風終於
贏翻場啦，
報到啦，佢自己就。
南家暴風，跟住就係
暴傻瓜都仲有第2，你就走啦。
星座第3、第4，
奇案影
酒吧奇案
酒吧奇案多啲啦，係啦。哇！真係睇見佢，真係沿途3碟望，
睇見佢應該就
佢喺度望，
睇見佢應該得3個字嘅啫，
算把啦。
仲有3個嘅，就火都嚟。
係啦，真係人哋薛海華好俾心機，一攝入 box 中段移出去，你出邊慢慢上，知道太機靈散咗啦隻馬已經。
你有幾多隻神秘出行可以咁樣跑啊？冇計。哦。
哇！呢個南家暴風有啲飛數，
唯有嘆佢執迷不悟咁冇辦法啦，真係
落到4.8倍啫，香港呢邊。
And he was the one that all the money was for late in the day. Mark Zahra had a good night at the office last night, and he's had a good week for that matter. At least catching up now with Chris Simons.
Well, I'm here with Mark Zahra, the winner, but I'm trying to get near him, but this bloke doesn't want to have a bar of Kevin. Well done, Mark.
Thanks, Trizzy. Yeah, he wants to have a little snap at you, but no, he won well. I'll give you a beautiful ride.
Well, I'm not going to hold you for too long because poor old Kev, we don't want him to get a bite. But tell us, what's it like riding a winner on Cox Plate Day with this atmosphere?
Yeah, it's great. I've had a frustrating like last night. I just keep having a lot of placings, and you know, you hear the crowd first time round, everyone's yelling at you, and you try and stay in the zone, but you can just hear like the last 50. You know, they just roar and. you know, the cheers you go across the line, the adrenaline's like something, like, you know, no other.
Well, well done, Mark.
Well, Mark Zara's the winning jockey, and Lindsay headed by David
好
Hayes.
啦，咁啊，騎師嘅訪問完啦，咁啊睇埋啊練馬師希斯嘅訪問啦。
This race way back in 1991. You must have been in nappies.
Yeah, I remember the colours were hard to pick. It was in black and white. I am showing my age, aren't I?
Well,
Almaheb, I think.
finally this horse does what we know that he can do.
Yes, he got a perfect ride. He's been gelded and he's had a wind up, and I think his time is... you know, he's going to win plenty of races now. We've worked him out.
That's right. And that wind up was so important because, you know, if you can't get oxygen, how do you possibly stay?
Yeah, look, he was an unusual one. At 1.5 miles he breathed fine, and then between 1.5 miles and 2 miles, Glenn Boss rode him and said he definitely made a noise, and we checked it out, and we worked out that we could definitely help him, and we have, I think.
Okay, he has a crack at a Melbourne Cup. Does Mark Zara ride?
I hope so. He went so well for Mark, and you know, he's pretty well in the race, so... and with a lightweight, and he run 2 miles, so we've got a really exciting 10 days ahead.
Oh, fantastic. Great to have you with a live chance in the Cup. Good luck.
Thank you.
好啦，咁啊希斯好開心啦嚇，咁就直接晉級啦，睇嚟呢匹南加暴風可以。
同埋今年嗰個考菲爾德杯咧，即係嗰個進程都好得意嘅。呢個
Proud of the horse's performance. Wonderful ride by Dino, and yeah, well, not sure where to go now, but yeah, I'm happy.
That's the one thing he's done today. He's proven he can stay.
He's proven he can stay. You know, he ran at a good gallop, beautiful rhythm, beautiful tempo, and you know, he's qualified now for a Melbourne Cup, but whether he needs quite a few to drop off to get in, but there's plenty of other options for him.
Thanks for your time, Jared.
Thank you.
好啦，咁啊大寶力啊，頭先即係另一份嘅練馬師啦嚇。
好啦，咪都可以睇睇 S 第4場賽事啊，滿尼谷金杯嘅暫定賽果先啊！跑第1名就14號南加暴風，第2名咧就係9號馬嘅暴傻瓜，第3咧就係10號馬嘅平衡星座，而跑第4咧就係1號嘅呢一匹酒吧奇案嘅。
今年考菲爾德杯咧，即係步速好慢，同埋中段有馬走咧，其實好多馬嗰個形勢好惡劣啦，攞位避同埋蝕位。咁南加暴風就係其中一隻啦。
冚俾緊外檔馬冚咗嘅其中一匹嚟啊嘛佢。
咁啊，今次形勢正常，咁啊，俾佢值得贏翻場嘅呢隻馬。
好啦，咁啊，翻到嚟我哋睇咗 S 第4場賽事滿尼谷銀瓶嘅正式賽果先啊！跑第1名就14號南加暴風，獨贏派48個半，位置16個半；第2名係9號嘅暴傻瓜，位置派37蚊；第3名就10號嘅平衡星座，位置派呢個31蚊嘅，連贏位9搭14係403蚊。三紅彩14號、9號、10號順序7111蚊，而單鐵9十14派1414蚊嘅，位置 Q 94係派137個半啦，10搭14係132個半，而9搭11派252蚊。4連環1、9、10、14派5941蚊。4重彩順序14號、9號、10號、1號派89390蚊。